In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notification in Systeme IO. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your notification controls and how to fine-tune them so you only get the alerts you actually want. Start by opening your browser and heading to your Systeme.io account. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your home base. If you're not seeing it yet, make sure you're fully logged in and wait a moment for the page to load. Now look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This could be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. That icon opens your account options. Click it to reveal a small menu and then choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings area where all the key preferences live. On the settings page, shift your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This vertical menu lists different categories. Find the one labeled Notifications. If you're on a smaller screen and don't see the full list, you might need to scroll or collapse and expand the sidebar to reveal it. Click Notifications to open your notification controls. You'll now be on the notification settings page. One important section you'll notice is called My Communities and Courses. This is where you decide how you want to be alerted about activity related to your communities and courses. Inside this section, you'll see simple toggles for email and for in-app notifications. Email sends updates straight to your inbox, which is great for items you don't want to miss. In-app shows alerts inside Systeme.io itself, typically under the bell icon, keeping your inbox cleaner while still letting you catch up when you're logged in. Go ahead and toggle each option on or off based on your preference. A helpful tip: if you prefer a quieter inbox, keep in-app on and email off for routine updates, then enable email only for the items you consider high priority. As you make changes, there's no save button to hunt for. Updates apply instantly. You should see a quick confirmation indicating your notification settings were updated successfully, which means your choices are live right away. Continue browsing through the options on this page until you're satisfied with your setup. Take a moment to review each toggle so your alerts match how you actually work. You can return to this screen anytime to adjust things as your needs evolve. That's it. You've customized your notification experience in Systeme.io. With these settings dialed in, you'll stay informed without getting overwhelmed. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps whenever you want to fine-tune your alerts.